So I'm going to explain to you how to create your own Google Classroom. Once you go to your Google Chrome site and you've signed in, you are going to go to the little waffle where the Google apps are listed. Go down to Google Classroom. Click on Google Classroom. And then at the top right-hand corner by the little waffle square, there's a plus sign. You will click Create or Join a class if you've already created one. But in this case, you're going to create one, which I have already done. And this class is the Adventure Hero Writing class. It will give you a class code where you will invite your students to join. And once you've gone in there, then you go to the stream and you can go ahead and create your message for your students. In this case, I created the Adventure Hero Writing course, so I had my little greeting added in there. Then you are going to want to go ahead and create your classwork. So you'll go next to Stream is Classwork and go to the plus sign, Create, and you will create your classwork as you go along. So I've already created the Writing a Storyboard classwork for students with some videos, and when you insert the videos, it's very, very easy. You'll just go to create an assignment, write out your title of your assignment with your instructions. Then down at the bottom, there's the little YouTube symbol if you want to insert a YouTube video, and you just click on the link. It'll pop up. You click on it and click Add, and then you will have your video embedded in your assignment like so. So I've created 2 assignments already for this Adventure Hero Writing class. The first assignment is writing a storyboard, where students will review the videos on G Suite applications to create storyboards and a storyboard tutorial for kids. In their groups, which will be 3 to 4 students, they will pick their tool to use to create their storyboard and then begin writing a rough draft of their Adventure Hero storyboard. I also created an assignment with a video on what makes a hero, and here they will brainstorm with their peers in their group characteristics of heroes and the kind of hero each member of their group wishes to be. And they will complete a graphic organizer, either a circle map or a spider map, of all the key characteristics and attributes of their hero. So those are the first 2 assignments that I created in this Adventure Hero Writing class. And like I said, Google Classroom is very easy to maneuver and to create your class and your assignments. And then you'd want to set up your due dates and go from there.